Hello there, this is fairbinaryoptions.com, and we are looking at cable again. Even though on Saturday we looked at cable, and we were expressing our intention to buy calls, so basically a bullish case. We would like to reiterate that bullish case today, and actually on Monday really started to trade the pair. So I am looking for trading the Great Britain pound US dollar from the current levels here in the 159.92. I'm looking to trade it to the upside. So when you're trading binary options here with us, then you should know that when you're looking to the upside, you look for buying calls, and the expiration date price should be bigger than the striking price. Well, our expiration date here would be today, end of day expiration date. So all of the respected binary options brokers out there offering end of day expiration date. The reason for that is that the move that ended here to the move to the upside, so basically we are analyzing this move here, it is not impulsive. In an impulsive move, at least one wave needs to be extended. So I'm talking about this move here. Well, this one is not extended because it is not having a third wave extended, or as a matter of fact, any extended wave, as it doesn't have an extended wave, then it must be corrective. Well, if it is corrective, then it should retrace minimum 61.8 because this is a three waves move, and it should be part of a flat most likely. We might also have a slight chance for this to be a contracting triangle that starts here, but a contracting triangle for the second wave, because the move here is the first wave out of the bigger degree. So a contracting triangle for a second wave to the downside is not possible. Therefore, we're looking for a flat of a bigger degree, and this flat should be labeled as wave A here. And then of course the B wave to be up to the upside, but the B wave is not done here. You might ask why it's not done there, because the B wave needs to take more time than it took, and to be more complex than wave A, than it took wave A to form. So if this is wave A, then the B wave to the upside should be longer than this time, so should take longer than this time. So let's just measure the time taken for wave A to form, and then copy the line, project it on the right side there, and then taking a vertical line, and that would be the minimum time for wave B to form. Now you might say, okay, but why not the B wave to be done here and the 61.8 to be done as well? Because the time element was not confirming the scenario. If you take a Fibonacci retracement from the highs there and into the lows here, you are seeing the 61.8. It is here indeed, but this is just a tricky 61.8, if I may say so, because the time element is not confirming the retracement. Therefore, we are looking for this retracement to come, but in the form of an impulsive move from the lows. Because of a lower degree, I'm looking for this to be something like this to be wave A with a three waves move to the upside. The B wave here, either the B wave being done with the move to the downside there or here, it doesn't really matter. What I'm trying to say is that we need a five-way structure to the upside, so an impulsive move to the upside that should go beyond 61.8, 161.15. Now it is mandatory for price to return from that level. No. Can price even go to the highs even more than 61.8? Yes. Can price go even making new highs in a flat? Yes. So everything is pointing to the upside. Mr. Carney is going to speak this week. We are going to have the Bank of England inflation letter, the CPI in the United Kingdom. So a lot of news that will make cable traveling. So looking for this situation here to be something like this, a five-way structure to the upside, 1, 2, in an impulsive move, 3, 4 most likely, and the fifth, I don't know, something like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the C wave to be done. Anyways, 61.8, 161.15 to be reached. This is what I wanted to show you for today. So basically, the outcome or the recommendation is to buy calls right here, right now, even though it doesn't seem so, let's say, supportive right now, but I would buy calls here with end of day expiration date, and this would be for this Monday, and then we will see what is we will see what is happening by the time we are advancing in the week, and if the 61.8 retracement level comes to fruition. Let's see what the New York session brings. End of day expiration date means by the time the US markets are going to be closed. Thank you very much for being here. This is fairbinaryoptions.com, and all these analyses are possible due to the help of our general sponsor here, Lionel.